first off, we're gonna get some water. Put some water in a pot. Yeah, about halfway. Yeah, so you're gonna turn the burner on max. Measure 1 cup of elbow. When the water is boiling, add the cup of macaroni to the water. Stir it. So meanwhile the pasta is cooking, we're gonna defrost some frozen vegetables like some corn and some string beans and carrot. So about 1 cup, a little bit more than that. Yeah. Just put the amount that you desire. So now I'm gonna use like a cup and a little bit, so a little bit more. About that. Yep. I'm just gonna add a little water to it. Yeah. Then I'm just gonna put it on the fire, like low. Let it just defrost a little bit faster. So there it is. Yeah, so these are just about done defrosting. It'd be better if you like can take it out the freezer for like a couple minutes before you do this, so it's thawed. But I like to do things last minute, so that's what I'm doing. I'm not trying to cook it, I'm just trying to defrost it, so I'm just gonna turn it off now. Yep, so we're gonna drain this too. Just like that. You can give it, you can rinse it also. Just like that. And then I'm gonna put it in a blast chiller too. Yep, so it's just about done now. All the macaronis are soft. Yep. Quality assurance, they're pretty good. Just turn it off. Move it from the heat. Yeah, so gonna get a strainer. Just, ooh, that's hot. Let me get a towel. One of these. Yeah, so just pour it. All of it. Just run some cold water over it to let it cool down. Just like that. Yep. Quality assurance. Then just drain the excess water. And you're gonna put it in a separate container. Just like this. Look at that. Then you're just gonna put it in a blast chiller or the refrigerator. So we're gonna use about half cup of mayo. So about that, just like that. So 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, just like that. 1 teaspoon. Then we're gonna get some smoked paprika and just add a little bit, yeah, not too much. And then we're just gonna mix this, mix it up. And test the quality. Yeah, perfect. Just like that. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna mix everything together so you can see all those colors. Yeah, just like that. And that's beautiful. Yep. Just like that. So here you have it. Just like that. Yeah, so we're gonna add the mayo mixture to it now. So you just gotta add it little by little, then mix it up. So just start mixing it. You're gonna see it start looking more like pasta now. See it? Yeah. So when you're mixing like coleslaw and pasta, the best thing you do is add the mixture, the mayo mixture, gradually, so that you don't do too much. Well, the pasta is gonna soak it up, so I'm just gonna use all of this. So just use all of it. Get all of it. Okay, so we're just gonna combine everything now, the remainder of it. Combine all of it together. And it's best to do this overnight, so like if you want it for tomorrow, just do it overnight, let it get nice and cool. Yep, so here it is, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have subscribed already, send it to a friend and let them subscribe too. Thanks for watching. I'm out.